I love to see what our yard to table garden has to offer us each morning. We'll be able to pick some radishes today, maybe some carrots. Yeah. And there's some tomatoes, looks like even. I love being able to pick the berries from our own yard to have on our yogurt each day. Our blueberry crop this year is incredible. Oh, that looks good. Oh, those blueberries. I love having all these beautiful flowers blooming every day, so I can come out here and pick some of them and make some pretty bouquets. You know, it really helps brighten our day during this quarantine time. It's been some real joy for me. A little finishing touch. Oh, those look pretty. Yeah, those look really pretty. Oh, it looks like you're gonna get some nice chard there for dinner. That's gonna be really nice. Cool. Oh gosh, look, we're gonna get some Padron peppers tonight. We can have these for dinner. Cool, look how many there are. Oh wow, awesome. One of my favorite parts of the day is looking over the bounty that we got from the garden, and then spending time discussing with my husband what he's gonna do with it all for our dinner for the evening. So what do you think you're gonna make with all this?
Well, today we're gonna do a kind of a tapas dinner, and I'm gonna do some quick pickled cucumbers with garlic and tarragon. I'm gonna cook up some of these nice Roma tomatoes and put some lamb meatballs in that. We've got our Padron peppers. We've got chard. I'm gonna make a little chard tortilla or frittata.
Oh yeah.
We've got some nice lettuce. We'll have a salad with the cherry tomatoes, and then we've got some olives and cheeses and nuts and things that we'll add to that. But that's basically our dinner.
Oh yeah, I can't wait till it's dinner time. Wow, the chard and garlic and onions from the yard smell so good, and they look so beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to have this. Oh, I love how the sauce is looking, and that you're going to put those lamb meatballs you had previously made and had frozen, which is so nice. Just pull them out of the freezer and be able to do this. Now that the tomatoes are ripe, that's going to be yummy. I love that these cucumbers came from our garden, and here's how the omelet came out. That was made with the chard and the garlic and the onions that we had, and the salad that's under the nice Corona beans, and I'm gonna have these beautiful Padron peppers that were from our own garden, and the flowers, and it's just really, it just makes my heart happy that we have this bounty from our garden.